We have some more breaking news coming in connection with the Hindi imposition row. Southern states are protesting because the Maharashtra state has implemented a new policy as per the NEP, saying that Hindi is the mandatory third language and that it is mandatory until class 5 in all schools. We're crossing over to my colleague Rucha to bring us more on this. Rucha, bring us more context about why there's so much of a row in connection with this.
Well, we have seen that the southern states are not accepting and they are not ready to implement this policy, while Maharashtra, where Bharatiya Janata Party is ruling, Mahayuti government has extended support to the policy, and the National Education Policy 2020 is now being implemented across the state. Now, there are people who are opposing this, people from the opposition, including the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena party, which is focusing only on Marathi language, Marathi people's rights, and as well as opposition leader Vijay Wadettiwar has also showed opposed to this decision, saying that Maharashtra was formed for Marathi people and on the basis of Marathi linguistic issue. Now, forcing Hindi language on Marathi people is not right, is what the opposition is saying, but the Maharashtra government has already taken the decision, and the new policy will now be implemented across the state. Until now, the students of SSC board and of Marathi or English medium schools were only using the two languages as mandatory language, but now Hindi will also be third compulsory language, mandatory language in the syllabus, and SCERT is taking the notes and are now working on the teachers' training as well as the syllabus curriculum, how the Hindi language can be added to it, and the syllabus and curriculum is now being changed accordingly. This is the first academic year 2025 to 2026. After the summer vacations are over, the first batch of first standard will be having third subject as Hindi as a mandatory subject, which until now was only limited to English or Marathi. Now, the opposition leaders are saying that it should be kept an optional subject. It is not right to force Hindi language on Marathi people, but the government has already taken its step, and this is also important for a place like Maharashtra, especially Mumbai, where people come here from across the nation, and Hindi is the only mode of communication, the important mode of communication which is spoken by many states, is what is followed in Mumbai also. Now, not just for the communication, but in academic future for the kids, it is also seen as an important factor of making Hindi language mandatory, and from this year it will be implemented only limited to the first standard, and by 2028 all the batches of first to fifth standard will be having Hindi language as the third mandatory language, and it is now being implemented across the state, including SSC boards, which is the Maharashtra state boards, as well as the other medium schools.
Rucha, thank you so much for joining us and getting us all of those crucial details. We'll continue to track the developments here, especially as far as reactions to this are concerned. But with this, we'll be shifting focus.